crisp, clear waters make their way through the rainforest, filling it with life. They also create a magnificent spectacle. Mother Nature at her very best. The fine balance of nature is crucial to the survival of the animals and plants. Rainforests have been subjected to logging, destruction, and pollution of water, and now cover only 1/1000th of the area they once did. At every level, the rainforest is a source of magic and mystery. A spider weaves fine threads into the beautiful patterns of a web. Tiny streams also weave together to form the grandest of waterfalls that roar